Hello my dear second class children. A very good morning to each and everyone. Welcome back to our EVS class. Okay children, as we are learning about the plants. Okay, we learn already what are the different types of plants, where it grows, and what are the parts of a plant, and what are the uses of a plant. Okay, today we are going to learn food from the plants, and let's try 4. Okay, first we finish off, let's try 4. That is page number 61. Page number 61 in your smart book 3. Page number 61 in your smart book 3. See, look at the pictures given below and circle the things which we get from the plants and trees. Okay, what you must do here, you should circle the things which we get from the plants. Okay, the first picture, computer. Computer we will get from the plants. Yes or no? No. Computer it is not from the plants. So you should not circle. Okay, table. Table. So you should circle the table. Why means table is from the plant, from the wood. We are taking the wood from the tree and making a table. So you should circle the table. Okay, a frog. Frog means clothing. So we are getting clothes from the plant, isn't it? Already in the previous video I told you cotton plant. We get cotton from the plant, and from the cotton we are making the clothes. So you should circle the clothes also. Then mobile phone. Mobile phone will get from the plant? No, it will not get from the plant. Okay, then cup? No. Then fruits and vegetables? Very good. Fruits and vegetables will get from the plant. Okay, you circle that fruits and vegetable. Okay, understood? So what you must circle? Table, then clothes, then fruits, vegetables. You should circle this. You should circle. Circle means like this. Understood? Okay, then we move on to from food from plants. Food from plants. Food from plants. Okay. Plants give us food. Already we learn, no? Plants will give us food. Plants make their food and store it in different parts. We eat the food stored by the plants. Okay, children, already we learn, no? The leaves, the kitchen of the plant is the leaves, no? They will prepare food and store in it. Understood? Plants give us food, plants make their food and store it in different parts. We eat food stored by the plant. Then the first one is fruits and vegetables. We eat fruits like apples, bananas, cherries, grapes, pears and mangoes, and the different types of fruits also we eat. We also eat pumpkin. Pumpkin is a vegetable, ladyfinger and cauliflower. These are the actual fruits, but we call them vegetables. Oh children, see, the pumpkin, ladyfinger and the cauliflowers are the fruits, but we are calling them vegetables. Now we are learning, no, we don't know, no, since we are calling them as a vegetable, but really they are the fruits. Pumpkin is a fruit, ladyfinger and the cauliflower also fruit, but we call them vegetables. Okay, see, in the plant, what are the parts? The first one is the roots, no children? So we are eating the roots. Do you know? Directly we eat the roots. We pluck the plant and eat the roots. No. How we eat the roots? Beetroot. Beetroot is the part of a root. Beetroot is a part of a root. Beetroot. Then turnip, then carrot. So these vegetables we call them as roots. So what is the rooty vegetables? The beetroot, turnip and the carrot, they are all under the ground, children. They will not come like this. See, if a plant is there, so it is a brinjal plant. We see the brinjal on the top of a plant, isn't it? But we can't see the beetroot, turnip and the carrot. Why we can't see? Because they grow inside the soil. Can we see the roots of a plant, children? Can't we see the roots of a plant? No. Why we are not seeing? Because they are inside the soil. The same thing here, these vegetables we can't see, but they are grow inside the soil. That's why we are calling them the roots of vegetables. Roots vegetables means what? Beetroot, turnip and carrots. Okay, then we move on to the leaves. Leaves. So what leaves we are eating? Spinach. Spinach is a leaf, no? Palakura. Palakura is the leaf of a plant, isn't it? So lettuce. Lettuce is the same, the cabbage. You eat the cabbage, no? Same type of leaves we find in the lettuce. So what are the leafy vegetables we eat? So when you eat the burger, you can find the lettuce leaves in the burger. Spinach, then cabbage. Cabbage is also leaves of a vegetable. Understood, children? So what are the leaves we are eating? Lettuce, spinach and the cabbage is the leaves of a plant. Is the leaves of a plant. Spinach is the leaves of a plant. Lettuce is the leaves of a plant. Cabbage also leaves of a plant. When you see the cabbage, you open like this. All the when you open the cabbage, know what you find? They are all the leaves of a vegetables. Understood, children? Then we move on to the stems. So we are eating the stems of a plant also, children. Stems. So in the natural the stems we can't eat, no. But what are the stems? Ginger and potato are the stems. Ginger means alum. Ginger and potato. Potato are the stems. These stems are special. They grow underground. So we can't see the stems like this, no. Stems, we are telling these are the stems. But these vegetables will grow under the ground. But they are called the stems of a vegetable. Stems of a vegetable. You can ask teacher why these are not rooty vegetables. They are also growing in this under the ground. No, because they are the stems. They are the stems. Understood? Then we move on to seeds. We move on to seeds. What seeds we are eating? Wheat, rice, barley, dal and cashew nuts are seeds. Wheat means godumalu. So you are eating chapati, no, every day. So where the chapati is coming from? It is coming from the wheat. Wheats are nothing but the seeds. And the rice. So rice, you know what is the rice? Rice is also a seed. Rice is also a seed. And the barley. So ask your mama to show the seeds of a barley. And the dals, pappu and the cashew nuts, kaju. When you eat along with the sweets, no, kaju. These are all the seeds of a plants. Seeds of a plant. When you sow the wheat seed in the soil, again you get the new plant. When you sow the rice in the soil, you get the plant. When you sow the barley and dals and the cashews in the soil, you will get the plants. That's why they are called the seeds. That's why they are called the seeds. Okay. See, food from the plants. So what are the roots? Roots in rooty vegetables, beetroot, turnip and the carrots. And the leafy vegetables are cabbage, then lettuce and the spinach. Seed vegetables are wheat, rice and the dals. Stems are ginger and potato and the onions. Understood, children? And the fruits and the vegetables. We get the fruits and vegetables from the plants. Okay, let's try 5. Let's try 5. Let's try 5. So, answer in one word. One plant that gives wood. Which plants will give the wood? Mango plant, what? Banyan tree, you can write. Neem. Neem is easy for neem. Then one plant that gives oil. Which plant? Mustard. Mustard, or you can write groundnut. You can write coconut. That is up to you. One root we eat. One root which? Carrot. Carrot you can write, otherwise you can write beetroot. You can write turnip also. One leaf we eat. So you can write the cabbage. You can write, I'll write cabbage. I'll write cabbage. You can write spinach. You can write lettuce. That is up to you. Understood, children? These are the lesson about food from the plants, and let's try 4 and let's try 5. Okay, open a book, complete this in a smart book 3 with neat handwriting. Understood, children? We'll meet in our next class with one more interesting topic. Until, be safe at home and read the book EVS subject. Understood? Don't watch TV or other things. Concentrate on your studies. Thank you.